morning, Tube. Today we're in
Lake George.
There we go. And we are doing
Cat and Thomas mountains.
Yep, so we're doing 2 mountains today, and it's actually my last hike as a teenager. How do you feel about that one, Dad?
Oh well, it's not me that's getting any older, is it? It's you.
So this should be fun. I'm pretty excited. I've not been hiking in a while. It's good to get back out there, isn't it?
Yep.
Yep. And we are with Mark. He came as well.
So welcome to the summit-ish Thomas Mountain. So just a little bit of a cabin tour. The other 3 have gone to the true summit because that's like not too far up that way somewhere. I've just stopped here because I am lazy. It's being blunt. But this is inside the cabin. Hikers or backpackers even are allowed to stay here overnight. It's absolutely lovely. There's rocking chairs with probably one of the best views a rocking chair I've ever sat in has had. I've not been up there yet, so maybe I'll take you up there with me. There are our packs. Super cool. Lovely, lovely. Someone's been a bit naughty here. Yeah. I've been looking at all the writing as well, and I've been thinking, you know, normally it is considered graffiti and kind of disrespectful, but I actually think there's a lot of like history and character, and it brings stories into here. Poop! I'm going to attempt to go up here. Probably a bad idea since I'm on my own, but we're going to do it. The quiet that I'm experiencing right now is heard or not heard before. I don't know which one I'm meant to be saying, but I'm blown away. I'm genuinely blown away. Everyone's left.
I already said that. I'm all alone, on top of a mountain, in a cabin in New York. Oh, it's blooming lovely. There's this thing on the wall, I just filmed it. And it says, I'm home. I think, yeah, that describes it pretty well. Just listen to this quiet, okay? Absolutely nothing. I can't hear anything. It's lovely. It is a bit weird because all I've got is my thoughts and that can be a bit scary. I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm just so blown away right now. This is what hiking is all about, is being blown away by nature. The view I've got right now is just, it doesn't feel real, it feels like I'm in a dream. It just looks too good to be true, like, am I actually here, am I real right now? I'm just camping out here for now, with my butt print. I'm pack guarding, don't know how long they'll be, I think they said it's like point summit of a mile. So not far, I'll be back soon, but to be honest, all I've done is just sit here and listen to the nothingness. Unbelievable. Unreal. Just how gorgeous it is in here. It's like, oh. Right, shut up, Kaylee, you talk too much. You fell down.
Wait, do you want me to lie back down?
Fell over.
You alright?
Be careful of that spot.
Deeper on the left side and slopes more gradually on the right.
Which direction is it?
That way.
Yeah. So it's that one there.
What do you think of this view, Dad?
Hey?
What do you think of the view?
The back of your head? Pretty good.
What are your thoughts on the view so far, Mark?
It's pretty incredible. I think we're going to be getting back to the car in the dark.
Yeah, I think so too.
Headlamp City. That'd be cool though.
Yeah.
Shane will fall down again and
Oh,
it'll
he
make
will.
for a fun video.
Yeah, he will. What about you?
No, I won't fall down. 2:20. We've got about...
We made it to the summit of Cat and it was super duper worth it. There's me bro. There's me dad. And
Meow!
they actually have a really cool tube channel as well. Would you like to shamelessly promote yourself?
Onwards and upwards. And also, let's give a shout out to our friends back in the UK, Summit of Nothing. So this one's for you, Trev and Nath. 3, 2, 1.
Summit of Nothing!
Cheers.
Oh,
You got a bit of the old whiskey in that one?
what is that?
Eh?
What is that?
It's a spot of whiskey. He's going to do a
It reminds me of my nan, the smell and the taste, especially around Christmas time.
here.
Taste
Have another
better.
hit.
So it's like,
Yeah, do it.
$5. It's yours if you do that.
Hopefully we make it down before it gets too dark. This is
Somebody
not...
else looks like you tried it.
I don't think that's a good idea.
I'm not. There, see. Can you hear it over there? Listen.